You're watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Welcome to the Rosewood San Miguel de Allende, a luxurious sanctuary that perfectly captures the colonial heart and modern elegance of this UNESCO World Heritage City. Beyond a beautiful stay, the Rosewood offers an unparalleled immersion into San Miguel's charm, inviting you to wander its exquisite grounds, which feel like a historic village unto themselves. The hotel's design pays homage to the city's rich history, utilizing local materials and traditional craftsmanship. San Miguel was a critical center during the Mexican War of Independence, and the spirit of that legacy is woven into the atmosphere here. Notice the intricate stonework and the vibrant, locally sourced art throughout the property. Each detail tells a story of Guanajuato's heritage, seamlessly blending five-star luxury with authentic Mexican soul. For the most breathtaking views in the city, there is no better vantage point than the Luna Rooftop Tapas Bar. Here, high above the cobblestone streets, you have a front row seat to the iconic skyline. Look down on the colonial rooftops and let your eyes be drawn to the majestic pink-hued towers of the Parroquia de San Miguel Arcangel. As the sun dips below the mountains, painting the sky in fiery colors, the view from Luna is the ultimate San Miguel experience, perfect for savoring world-class tapas and a signature cocktail. Whether you're relaxing by the pool or gazing upon history from the Luna rooftop, the Rosewood is a journey in itself. For travel ideas about Mexico and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.